The wait is almost over. Samsung is gearing up to launch the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 series on January 22. With new details emerging every day, excitement is building around what Samsung has in store. Let's dive into the latest updates and explore why the Galaxy S25 series might be one of the most groundbreaking smartphone releases yet. One of the biggest revelations is that the entire Galaxy S25 lineup will feature Snapdragon processors globally. This marks a significant shift from Samsung's previous approach of using both Snapdragon and Exynos chips, depending on the market. Fans of the Galaxy series have long voiced their preference for Snapdragon's superior performance and efficiency, and it looks like Samsung has listened. The Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra will all be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which has been making waves since its debut in October 2024. Built on TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm process, the Snapdragon 8 Elite boasts Qualcomm's custom Oryon CPU cores, delivering unparalleled performance. Benchmarks indicate it surpasses even Apple's latest A18 Pro chip, cementing its position as a leader in mobile computing power. But it's not just about benchmarks. The Snapdragon 8 Elite offers exceptional real-world performance, ensuring smooth multitasking, faster app launches, and impressive gaming capabilities. The advanced Adreno GPU is optimized for high-end gaming, capable of running graphically demanding games at maximum settings without breaking a sweat. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or a power user, the Snapdragon 8 Elite promises a top-tier experience. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to debut a refreshed design with slightly curved corners, offering a more elegant and ergonomic feel. While some may miss the sharp edges introduced with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, this updated look could appeal to those seeking a more classic aesthetic. The display sizes across the lineup cater to various user preferences. The Galaxy S25 will feature a compact 6.16-inch screen, perfect for users who value portability. The S25 Plus offers a balanced 6.66-inch display, while the S25 Ultra delivers a massive 6.86-inch screen for those who crave immersive viewing experiences. Samsung's AMOLED technology ensures stunning visuals, vibrant colors, and deep blacks across all models. Photography enthusiasts will find plenty to get excited about. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus are rumored to include a versatile triple camera setup, a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra takes things to the next level, featuring a 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, and a 50-megapixel 5x telephoto lens. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes, detailed close-ups, or crisp portraits, the Ultra's camera system had you covered. On the front, all models are expected to include a 12-megapixel selfie camera, ensuring sharp and detailed shots for social media and video calls. Samsung has balanced battery life and charging capabilities across the series. The Galaxy S25 comes with a 4000 mAh battery and supports 25-watt fast charging. The S25 Plus steps up with a 4900 mAh battery, while the Ultra maxes out at 5000 mAh. Both the S25 Plus and Ultra support 45-watt fast charging, ensuring you spend less time plugged in and more time on the go. With Snapdragon exclusivity, enhanced cameras, refined designs, and improved battery life, the Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be a standout release. Samsung's decision to focus on Snapdragon chips globally ensures consistent performance, a move that's likely to win over longtime Galaxy fans. As the January 22 launch date approaches, we're eager to see how the Galaxy S25 series performs in real-world scenarios. Will the Snapdragon 8 Elite live up to the hype? Will the Ultra's camera system redefine smartphone photography? These are questions we can't wait to answer. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 series? Are you excited about the Snapdragon exclusivity, or are you looking forward to other features? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest Samsung news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.